Well, I think Nas. Good morning, guys. It's 9:30. I think Nas will buy. I mean, it pushed down right down here right before I hit record, and then came all the way up. If we look at the 1 minute, it came down here, then it immediately pushed back up. So I think it's gonna buy off this low here. We'll see how the 15-minute closes, but I bet you it'll buy up like this. Have our stop loss below these lows. Buy up there. I don't want to enter till pre-market because this shit could still very much come a lot more down, which is good, better for me. Less of a stop loss, or more of less of a stop loss, more of a take profit. Looking at buy side bias right now, but this major dump I think has to wear off at some point. I probably won't take a pre-market trade like I usually do. I'll wait for it to come down here to take a long, or hell, even all the way down here, probably down here. But it's just selling off hard, selling off super hard. Nice buys here. All right, I'm gonna put my buy order in now. Hopefully, don't get liquidated before. Hopefully, I don't get liquidated before. Hopefully, it doesn't open and immediately tank. All right, we're break even. And we're out. Alright, super scalp position, 28.43. If I had closed right at the top, I would have made a lot more. But 20.43 on the day is pretty fire. $20.43 on the day is pretty fire, yeah. I'll still watch these charts for maybe another setup. Wick to wick, bro. Wick to fucking wick. Yeah, it sells off here, bro. That's actually crazy. I actually thought it was going to buy up all day. Is US 30 buying? Is that why? Ooh, no. US 30's coming down. Up 43 on the week. Today we're up 41 on the day because of NAS or JP and 40. But I'm not going to be making a JP video. Yeah, look at that absolutely tank. Oh, NAS is pushing back up. Could take shorts off of this here. Could be a good setup. Haven't held for quite a while. Lost 600 on my stop snap, blacked out. I don't know why everyone was taking shorts, bro. I think everyone just runs the fucking breakout strategy. I mean, support and resistance strategy has just really been blessing me. Took the 1 minute. Yeah, the support and resistance strategy has just been really kind to me. I bet you we can take shorts off this here, but I want to wait to see how it reacts to being up here. If volatility slows down, because it looks like it's gonna form another resistance like right here, it's pushing and struggling to break that. If it breaks here, then we're good. Did US30 also buy? No, US30 just tanked. So when US30 tanks, usually Nasdaq ends up buying up. Oops. I wish I kind of closed it a bit later, but 2043 is definitely, I'm definitely happy with that. Everyone's saying, fucking, oh god, US30 is fucking tagged. I lost everything. Haven't had Nell in quite a while. Lost my account, blew my account. I don't know why you would take shorts on this chart, bro. Like, looking at the 15-minute, there was no confirmation of a sell. I mean, I guess this slight downtrend maybe would have been indication of a sell, but I'm taking this short when it comes up here. Because it's struggling. It's very much struggling to break these highs here. These morning open highs. You gotta see it break this first before it comes up. Yeah, US30 dumping usually means that Nasdaq will buy. I mean, this is about to run out of steam though. I bet you this will come down a bit more. I don't trade US30 too much. I mean, we could probably see a reversal around this area. I think it'll reverse somewhere around here, maybe a couple positions below. We'll see. Yeah, this is probably where the reversal starts, which means the Nasdaq's going to tank. I wish they had split screen on fucking Trade Locker so I can watch both of these. How's the S&P 500 looking? S&P 500, wow, is actually fucking terrible. What? Why is the S&P 500 making lower lows while Nasdaq's making higher highs? That's what we call an SMT divergence, guys. SMT divergence. Where two closely related indexes make opposite trades. Like, you bought up and then sold off, so I bet you Nasdaq will... Nasdaq's wanting to sell off here. I mean... Probably enter a short here. Target these lows and hold that. I already thought Nasdaq was going to end up selling. I mean, I'll go a bit lighter on this one because I'm not too confident in this. We'll put this sell in here. Set our take profit down here just because an S&P 500 is making lower lows. Well, I think S&P 500 is the leading index here. Boom, just caught another $10. I don't know what it's not showing on my chart, but I definitely traded that. Okay, give me another 865. Alright, I think that's gonna be it for the day. Up $50 from JP225 and F40. I bet you this ends up selling all day. My signals say to buy NAS, not right now, but at 520, which is all the way up here. What? He wants to buy all the way up here? What are we doing? This could still very much go up. Ooh, you know, I'm getting spicy on this. Actually, no, I don't know. I'm getting spicy. Could take a long on NAS right now. Go a bit lighter again. It looks like it's not gonna push. I mean, the 15 minute, these have had big struggles coming down past here. Let's see. I don't know why it's not showing the indicators that I sold here. Yeah, if I did like 0.8, I could have made like 16 on this trade. Ignore that voice crack. Nah, it looks like it's gonna reject this. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, it's rejecting this buy really hard. Could still very much sell. Oops. 15 minutes not looking too strong for some buys right now. I got that nice scalp sell there for another 865. So the end of the day with like that original trade that I would have had like the 30. End of the day at like 30-ish. 29. US 30's just bleeding out right now. Oh yeah, see, look at that. Reversal around this area. Reverse is probably going to go upwards. Can I reply to myself? Okay, we're gonna reply. Oof. Nah, I would not take buys off this. Just because it just rejected this shit hard. Yeah, this looks like sells. What's his name? This very much better. Nas gonna sell off. Very much better day trader said Nas gonna sell off. Yeah, I bet you it sells off here. Look at it. Look at it go. It's gonna break these lows and it's just gonna tank down, bro. I don't want to catch another trade. Oh, I'm gonna actually just start writing my diary now. Alright. Peace. I'll see y'all for F40? Maybe F40? I mean, I know. I think, yeah, no, never mind. We could try F40, but I don't think I will just because Christmas, or not Christmas, New Year's Eve. It's gonna fuck everyone. It's gonna fuck these charts. It's a bank holiday for JP225 and F40, so, or at the German market. I don't know if F40 falls in that, but I'm not gonna trade that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.